No way, y'all. Is she really about to take down these glizzies? I'm telling you, there's no way she can pull this off. Wait, look at her go. Already diving into that first one like it's nothing. I don't know what's more impressive, the speed or how she's handling it so smoothly. Y'all think she can do it? She's really crashing out for sure. Unstoppable. Ain't no stopping her at this point. Look at this. She's halfway through like it's light work. I can't believe this lady is taking them dogs down like this. No hesitation, just pure skill right here. She's coming up on the last one. Wow, she's a machine. I never thought I'd see it, but y'all, she's about to finish it. This is wild. Somebody give her a medal.